the SuperFly headlights. The headlights are in the trunk. Got the basket wheel, pearl white. Have the ElDorado molding, brand new vinyl top. It looked like it was placed yesterday. And the seat, look at this seat. You don't see no crack, no scratches, nothing. Leather seats with the white piping, 22,000 miles. Look at this, nice and moisty. Sunroof. And then you come in the back. Then you have this here. Beautiful. Dual exhaust. I went around and I told a couple of my friends, buy it. And they always want to they want to pay peanuts for it. But this car, I'm sure